G'day, V-Dubbed here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel, and I hope you've had a great Christmas, spent good time with your families, and wishing you all the best in the new year. So, getting on to today's video, what I'm doing is I'm putting LED lights into the bay window Kombi, just because I need to move the indicators up so they're out of the way of the bull bar. Alright, so in the Kombi, and we got it back, but the lights are shocking, so Josh will show you now. Okay, so that's dipped, which is fair enough. I mean, park lights, so that's fine. Go in one. What? Go in one. Right. Push the button in one. One out, 2 out. So there's no change actually. No. Okay, and then brights. Okay, so the brights work. Okay, off. But the normal driving lights don't. So the other thing is indicator. So the indicators are low, and with a bull bar, we're probably not going to see them. There was a lot of noise from sprinklers, wind, and just the traffic. So that's why I'm just voice-overing this piece. But starting to strip down the headlights and taking out that screw. I tried to loosen them, but that ring is still tight. So now I'm just slacking off those two of the adjusters, so just slacking them off a bit to see if the bulb will move inside that ring. Again, still trying to get it off. It should flick out where I'm levering now, and there's a clip on the other side where it's held in. A couple of taps to try and loosen it, but it was really stuck. So again, trying to loosen the adjusters a bit more. So going across to the other side, again that inside screw is the one that actually holds them in. So just undoing that first. You can see that light is quite loose inside there. And there we are, out it came. So these are the old style lights, even though it's a 71, it doesn't have the holder actually in the light bucket. All the adjustment is actually still held on the rim of the light. So I went to fetch a big flat screwdriver to try and pry that ring off the light. Alright, back with a bigger screwdriver. Just going to lever it, oops, and there it fell out. You don't want to do that too often, because if the wires unplug, that'll drop on the floor and smash. The lenses are glass. So just pulling the wires out the back, and there you can see the bulb and the headlight. This is one of the lights. You can see the main bulb in the back there, and this is the park light. These are the two adjusters. So that's the screw that actually holds it on. So it clips on with that little ridge you see over there, and then that screw goes in and holds the light on the vehicle. You then have these two, which you adjust, and it moves the light around in the frame. So yeah, the idea is I'll need to reuse the plastic rim, and I'm going to replace the old bulb with a LED one to include the indicators. Alright, so stripping down, effectively what we need to do is just undo the adjuster. You see, now that's loose, but as you tighten that, it pulls the headlight, and that's how it adjusts it. So let me just out. Just do the same on the other side. Just getting a bit of slack. And then the pin should pull out. And then the whole lot pulls out like that. So that's the old original style, with a reflector, a big bulb. Turn that. Those are the original bulbs. So just little tangs with a fit. And that little bulb down there is the park light, which these two touch. So we're going to replace all of that with an LED unit. These are the LED units that I ordered. I ordered two from China, and this is how it came, and only one headlight came. So that's what I'm going to change the headlights to. And sorry, and luckily that prong is the same as that, so it's almost a like for like, so it should be fairly easy to change. So that's the difference there. So this is the second one I got locally here in Australia. They both come with these adapters. Okay, so the sprinklers are off now, so hopefully the traffic will have dropped down. But what we're going to do now is we're going to connect it up just to make sure that everything works on this light. So as I was saying, fortunately they're the same, the fittings are fairly simple, it just fits right in. Why don't you hold that light for me, please? And this brown is the earth, and that is the park light. Just untangle that. So I'm going to hook the park light up to the green one.
That wasn't how it was. The green one had nothing connected to it before.
Is the green one? What is the green one? Let's try.
No, the green one's earth.
Alright, we're going to turn the... So that should sit in the car like that. Okay, turn the ignition on. Okay, park lights. Ah, okay.
See?
Not a problem. Turn it off, please. And just come in and hold this. So don't drop it. Thank you. So let's swap that over. So green is indicators. So we put it on the red. All right, let's try again. Oh, okay, park light.
I think it's a pretty bad connection.
No, it's because they're touching each other down the bottom here. Okay, normal light. Oh, sorry, I'm blinding you on the camera there. And brights. Look at that. How cool is that? All right, so now we know it works. That's fantastic. Okay, and shut it. And off. So we don't have a indicator light here coming out in our loom. So I'm gonna have to feed a wire from the indicator down there inside the car to drive the indicator in this fitting. So yeah, very impressed with that. I really like that. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless you in the new year. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.